Hello friends, and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to work an I-cord edge bind-off, a beautiful finishing technique that creates a smooth, rounded cord along the edge of your knitting. The I-cord bind-off is often used whenever you'd like a polished, professional-looking edge. Once you learn the rhythm of the technique, it's surprisingly simple and quite relaxing to work. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need your live stitches on the needle. Now we're ready to start the bind-off. Knit the first 2 stitches. Next, knit the 3rd stitch together with the next stitch on the left needle through the back loops. Without turning your work, slide these 3 stitches from the right tip of the needle back to the left needle. The yarn will be coming from the last stitch. Bring it across the back of the 3 stitches, keeping it relaxed but not loose. Now repeat the process. Knit the first 2 stitches. Knit the 3rd stitch together with the next stitch on the left needle through the back loops. Slide the 3 stitches back to the left needle. These 3 stitches will form the I-cord edging. And repeat. As you continue, you'll begin to see a rounded cord forming neatly along the edge of your knitting. This cord gently wraps the bound-off edge, creating that signature polished finish. This simple technique adds such a beautiful finishing touch to knitted garments and accessories, and it's one of my favorite ways to elevate a project with a clean, professional edge. Continue repeating these steps all the way across until all stitches have been bound off, and only the 3 I-cord stitches remain. To finish, work the 3 I-cord stitches one final time, then bind off those remaining stitches using a standard bind-off method, or graft them together with the beginning of the I-cord if you're working around a complete edge and would like an invisible join. And that's it! You've completed an I-cord edge bind-off. Thank you so much for knitting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to subscribe for more knitting techniques, tips, and patterns. Happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next one.